What's going on, guys? Waxcracker coming at you with another break, and this is the last box that I picked up from my last visit to David Adams out in Buffalo. Headed out there again next weekend, so hopefully I can make another step out to David Adams. But anyway, here's the last box, 2018 Panini XR. Good cracking into it. Should be a quick break. 2 packs, 7 cards in each pack. 3 hits. It's been a while since I've watched one of these breaks. I want to say you're going to get an RPA in one pack and an auto and a relic in the other. Could be wrong. But here we go. So XR made its debut last year. Wasn't my favorite, but I didn't hate it. Definitely a different look. And in fact, that's, giving it a little bit of a disservice. I liked it. Just wasn't my favorite is all. So here we go. And from what I've seen, it's the design for this year is similar to last. And I can't open the pack. There we go. Alright. And of course we'll get a handful of parallels as well. I want to say there's 2 in each pack. Anyway. Here we go. There's a look at the base design, similar to last year. Definitely like the logo in the background there. Adam Thielen. Everyone's favorite white dude wide receiver. J.J. Watt. And we have a Jerome Baker here. Yep. It's a blue parallel to 199. I really like the way these blue parallels look this year. That looks awesome. That foil background with that slight little subtle refractor finish. That looks real slick. Alright, Alex Smith, who I keep forgetting is on the Redskins these days. To $2.99. And a rookie of Christian Kirk to $99. Extreme rookies. And this is our RPA right here. And then it's a Michael Gallup. Got a dual jersey football to $1.99. That's cool. Little reminiscent of Absolute right there with that relic layout. And Shaquem Griffin. Cool. Alright, second pack here. We'll have a relic and an auto in here. Alshon Jeffrey, C.J. Mosley, got a Khalil Mack, obviously no longer with the Raiders. Sometimes I wonder when they get this stuff printed out and ready to go, because this trade is old news, but they still have them. I mean, the uniform, I would understand if they still have the logos all over this thing. Sorry about that. Orange to $99. Another Kirk Cousins right here. $2.99. And we got a triple relic for the Finns. Tannehill, Kenyon Drake, and Kalen Ballage to $99. Team Trios. And what is this? Lorenzo is going to be our rookie. Lorenzo Carter. It's a 49. And a Jari Alexander rookie. Alright, guys. I'm not going to do a recap. It was a quick break, but not a bad box. Not great, but not the worst. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. And as always, get cracking.